Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix, and today we're working on 2002 GMC Envoy, and we're changing the spark plugs on this guy. It's an inline 6-cylinder, and basically you got coils, 10mm bolts that goes in here. You have to remove the cover, the intake air hose, and then you get down here and you pop those guys out. Okay, you take those 10mm out and pops right out. So the back ones, if you wonder about the back ones there, it looks, when you first look at it, you think, oh, how am I going to get that out? It's really easy. It comes out, look at that. I can put it right in. I don't know. See, now it's in there. Now, here, look at that. You can just take it and pull it out. It comes out no problem. Shouldn't have any issue taking it out. It's simple and easy. You use the 3/8 spark plug socket. Okay, this guy 5/8, sorry, 5/8. Use the 5/8. Take the spark plugs out, and basically, once you get to here, it's really simple. I'll show you how to do the first plug. Just bear with me a second. Let me get this going. This is an easy, simple job. It's not hard to do. Probably 20 minutes, 25, half an hour, you can get it done. I already blow through here. I blow some air to get all the dirt out, and then you get it out that way. I use hose like that, fuel hose. It'll come out on the fuel hose very easily. I install them also. I install spark plugs with the hose. That's guarantee you'll never mess up those threads in there. You know, it's a customer car. It's really, you gotta be careful with it. Look at that. Low before I pull it out, and I'll show you this spark plugs. It looks like that's a spark plug right here. It's crying, needs replacement. So we'll put the plug in same way and snug it and put the coil back. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my videos.